Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Trickycoder, the ultimate hub for all things programming and innovation. Today, we're diving deep into the world of code, creativity, and incredible projects. Let's start. In this video, we're going to immerse ourselves in the world of cutting-edge web development. Our project is a full-stack web application that brings together the powerful technologies of Next.js, Chakra UI, MongoDB, TypeScript, and Next.js Navigation to create a truly dynamic and feature-rich experience. The sleek and user-friendly front-end, powered by Chakra UI, sets the stage for what's possible in modern web design. Behind the scenes, we've harnessed the flexibility and scalability of MongoDB to manage our data efficiently, making user profiles, content, and transactions a breeze to handle. TypeScript ensures our codebase is not only robust, but also incredibly maintainable, saving us hours of debugging. And with Next.js Navigation, we've crafted an intuitive, seamless user experience that keeps users engaged. But the real magic happens when we combine these technologies to build both client and admin-side functionality. Whether it's user profiles, client dashboards, or admin tools, we've got every aspect covered. Want to get involved? You can find the entire project, along with detailed setup instructions, on our GitHub repository. So, whether you're here to learn, collaborate, or simply get inspired, you're in for an incredible journey through the realms of coding, creativity, and collaboration. Let's make something amazing together. And that's a wrap for today's exploration. We hope you've enjoyed this deep dive into the world of web development, from front-end aesthetics to back-end functionality. If you found this video insightful or inspiring, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on this exciting project. Your support means the world to us. If you have questions, suggestions, or just want to chat about coding, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. And remember, you can always find the project source code and instructions on the GitHub link. Thanks for joining us on this journey of innovation and creativity, and until next time, happy coding!